Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to change the light of your iPhone to normal. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching this video. So friends, let us get down to this interesting topic. If you have such a situation that, let's say, earlier you or someone took your phone and changed, for example, the color of your iPhone to some very bright pause, which now interferes with your use, and you would like to return everything back to the way it was, to the normal settings of the iPhone and the normal color of the screen of your iPhone. It's very easy to do. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. As you can see, at the moment on my iPhone, all the apps don't look the way they should look. Very bright colors. And if you have a similar situation, this is an easy fix. First of all, please find the settings on your iPhone, open them. After that, you need to select the function Additional. Then here, select the display option and select the text size. And now scroll down to the bottom. You will be interested in two options here. The first one is the color filter. Click on that. And if you have any color filter enabled here, it can interfere with your use of the iPhone. So you need to turn it off by clicking on this button here. So already, as you can see, the brightness of the colors themselves, it's reduced. But it's not back to normal yet. In order to get the screen color back to normal on the iPhone, go to this function here. And it needs to be disabled if you have it active. So, as you can see, now the colors on my iPhone screen look the way they should. Normal color, not bright, and the way it's set up on all iPhones. Also, I also recommend that you go back to Settings. Here, select Display and Brightness. And then you have to scroll through a little bit and select two options. The first one is this one, and you can turn it on too. For example, to turn on the brightness setting on your iPhone. And also, if you have night mode turned on before, you can go to night mode and activate it as well. Or if on the contrary it disturbs you, then disable it. That will also normalize the brightness of your iPhone screen to the way it was before. These are the ways, friends, you can easily change and fix the color of your iPhone to normal with ease. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments, put your likes under the video. Take care.